So, did it work? The answer is written across the world. From a small Swedish mail-order business founded by a 17-year-old entrepreneur, IKEA has grown into one of the largest furniture retailers on Earth. Hundreds of stores, millions of customers every year. A brand recognized in countries across the globe. Not because it built the most expensive furniture, not because it hired the most aggressive salespeople, and not because it had the biggest advertising budget. It grew because it understood something many businesses still struggle to understand today. Products matter, but experiences matter even more. Think about it. Two companies can sell almost the same chair, built from similar materials, at similar prices. Yet one company creates a memorable experience, while the other simply completes a transaction. One becomes a destination, the other becomes a store. That's the difference between selling furniture and designing an experience people remember. What's fascinating is that IKEA never really sold tables or lamps or bookshelves. It sold possibilities. The possibility of a first apartment, a child's bedroom, a growing family's dining room, a quiet corner to read, a workspace for a dream. Furniture was never the destination. It was the tool that helped people build the life they imagined. And perhaps that's why millions of customers return again and again. There are entrepreneurs watching this documentary today, business owners, creators, students, people with ideas they hope will become something bigger. If that's you, IKEA's story offers lessons far beyond retail. The first lesson: don't just build a product, build an experience. People remember how you make them feel long after they've forgotten what you sold them. The second lesson: design every step intentionally. Success rarely comes from one brilliant moment. It comes from hundreds of thoughtful decisions working together: a website, a package, an email, a customer conversation, a store layout, a product box. Individually, they seem small. Together, they become a system, and systems create businesses that last. The third lesson: make great design accessible. Ingvar Kamprad believed good furniture shouldn't belong only to the wealthy. That philosophy transformed IKEA into a global company. The businesses that endure often ask the same question: how can we bring something valuable to more people? Not, how can we charge more? And finally, perhaps the most important lesson of all: the companies that change industries don't always invent something completely new. Sometimes, they simply see old problems from a different perspective. Everyone else focused on building better furniture. IKEA asked, what if we redesign the entire journey? That single question changed everything. It's easy to look at companies like IKEA and see only the finished result: the global brand, the crowded parking lots, the iconic blue buildings. But every billion-dollar company begins the same way, with a problem, a question, and one person willing to think differently. That's the story behind IKEA. But more importantly, it's the lesson behind IKEA. Every billion has a story, every story has a lesson, and every lesson has the power to change the way we think. This is Hidden Billion. Until next time, keep asking better questions, because the next billion-dollar idea may be hiding in plain sight.